welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you're watching this video for a really first time, then do take a moment to check out my other videos, because that will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about, and also you will get to know me a little better. So as we all know from the description of the video is going to be about a mini Amazon haul. Now there are a few products that I purchased from Amazon which I felt was really essential for me, and I thought why not to do a review on them, because all the three products are something which are super essential, and I really wanted it very desperately because I use them in a daily basis. So I thought to share the review with you guys. So the first thing first, I got one. I wanted to do a hair spa at home, and very soon that video will be uploaded because I did hair spa. I will be doing, not did, because my hair is now a little frizzy. So I'm just going to use the hair spa with the help of an Enzo hair cream. So for the spa, it's very important that you steam up your hair. So I got this beautiful cap from Amazon. So I'm gonna use this, and I will give you a separate review video of how it is, because yeah. So the cap somewhere looks like this. Inside you have a thick plastic covering, so that you can be using like this. Oh, that's so cute. You will be using and this comes with a switch and then a modulator to switch on the temperatures. So that is there, and then you have in this cap this also, so that you can adjust it according to your hair size. And also for the cleaning purpose, you can remove this particular plastic, and you can just wash this off. So this can be washed, and the thermal heat and everything will come here. So this is a very useful product that I wanted for a really long time. And now it is summer, that every time it's not only our body that sweat, but it is also that our hair sweat a lot. So I thought that hair spa is something which will be super essential this summer, and that's the reason I got this particular product. And I got very good reviews on this, and I thought let's give it a try. So I will definitely gonna try this, and I'm just gonna give a separate review of this as well. So this is the first product, which was super affordable. I think it was below 300, 245 rupees. Now the prices may vary because I got it like 10-15 days before, and maybe now you're gonna purchase, so price might differ. The next thing is a beautiful, since this is a lockdown, we all are stuck inside the home. Now it's not advisable even to go to parlor or to spa. So I got for myself, now I have a lot of outbreak. If you can see, I have got pimples here, then some marks here. So I've got some facial kit, which is lemongrass anti-pigmentation, this spa facial kit. The video is already uploaded, guys. If you just wanted to know how is this particular facial kit is, I have already uploaded a video, and to be honest, this was the best facial kit. I have used VLCC, I have used Lotus, I have used Professional's D-Tan, but to be honest, this was unmatched. So this is a facial kit that I have absolutely loved. This was super affordable, guys, not even for 300. This was for 265 or something, but you get a very good quantity of product, to be very honest. If I open one of the thing, I've already done one facial, and I think I can do 2 or 3 more facials in this. This is super hygienic. It does come in a sachet, which might lose its potency of the product, but it comes in a small sizes of tub, which is reusable, and I really love this product. This is from Vadi Herbals, and I think those who know the product, the brand, the Vadi Herbal is something which is super good. It's a complete herbal product and does a great thing to your skin. So yeah, that was my second product. Next product, I have got some beautiful jewelry, like the Denti one, the one which I'm wearing. This is also something which I got. I got it from Jewels Galaxy. This is one of the Amazon's brand, which is super good, and their jewelry doesn't oxidize. That's the first thing. So I got this 3 pieces. This hoops. One I'm wearing, and the other one is this. Yeah, this heart shape. And I lost the other one. So this is a beautiful heart shaped earring, and comes with a lot of studs. So this is a beautiful thing which I got in for 300, which was again super affordable. The studs and everything is really good, and the one which I am wearing is also very good. So that is something that I got. The another thing that I got is a beautiful mirror, by the way, for myself. I think you guys have seen me using this mirror during my makeup look. This is a beautiful mirror. A life lived in love will never be done. So this is how the outer packaging is, and you open, you got to see myself filming this. So yeah, I got this beautiful mirror from Amazon, again within 200 ka range. So that's that. And another one I got is a beautiful highlighter, by the way. This is a Maiho highlighter. It's kind of silverish, and yeah, beautiful highlighter. Right now I'm wearing this highlighter, and it is super pigmented, very pigmented highlighter, and my favorite highlighter so far. So if I have brought highlighter, then how would I set myself back with the blusher? So I got one blusher for myself. This is Blusher Me from Any Lady, and I've got 2 beautiful variant. One is orangish one, and one is apricot. Please ignore my nails, because yeah, I need to sit down and do that. So please ignore this. So it is a very beautiful pigmented blush. Right now I'm using the same blush. Very good, and very pigmented. This was also like 200 change, but the quality is so good. Yeah, it has an expiry till 2022. So I'm using so much that I think before 2022 I will be like done with the product. Super pigmented. So that's all. This is a beautiful I mean, it's a mini Miniso haul that I actually wanted to do for a really long time, because I've ordered a lot of product here and there, but I could not sit and do the haul, and I thought this is the time when I need to actually do the haul. So I hope this haul was a little helpful. If you want any of the product, I will definitely try and link it down in the description box so that you can get for yourself. And that's pretty much for today's video. Stay safe, take a very good care of yourself. Corona is spreading to another level, so please do take care of yourself, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.